Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English 2. Previous class I have discussed lesson 4's question answers and exercises. I hope all of you understood lesson 4, true friends. Okay, then I told you to do all the question answers and exercises. Some exercises I told you to do in copy. I hope all of you have done in copy. Then the next class I will check your copy. Online class I will randomly call some children and you have to show your copy, you have to show your homework, then I will check your homework. Okay, so all of you have to do your work. I got some complaint you are not doing your work properly. Clear? So all the homeworks you have to do in copy. Then today I am going to explain language practice. That is page number 41. All of you take out your page number 41. Language practice. Find out what these people are called. Some sentences are given there and you have to find out one word for that. Okay, or find out what these people are called. A person in charge of a library. A person, a Vyakti, a person in charge of a library. Who is the in charge of a library? What we call the in charge of a library? Librarian. The spelling is Librarian. Librarian. A librarian. Okay. Then question number 2. A person who sells flowers. Flower based. A person who sells flowers. What we call them? Florist. 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 Then number 3. A person who is qualified to practice medicine. Qualified to practice medicine means license. A person who got license to practice medicine. Who? Physician. That means a doctor. Okay, physician. A person who is qualified to practice medicine is called a physician. 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 Or a doctor you can write. Then number 4. The chief cook in a restaurant. The chief cook in a restaurant, hotel. Okay. The main cook. What we call the main cook of a restaurant. Chef. 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 The pronunciation is chef. Okay. Then number 5. The owner of any business. Business, you know that word. Owner. That means who is owned a business. The owner of any business. A business owner you can write, or a businessman. The business owner is correct and a businessman, that is also correct. Okay. Owner of any business, business owner. Clear? Once again I will read. A person in charge of a library, librarian. A person who sells flowers, florist. A person who is qualified to practice medicine, physician. The chief cook in a restaurant, chef. The owner of any business, a business owner. Clear? Okay, then this you have to do in copy. Okay, this first part A, page number 41 A, you have to do in copy. Then take out your page number 42. Next page number 42. C part, life skills. C part, the life skills. Tick the qualities you would look for in a friend. Here are some qualities and disqualities are given there, and you have to tick the qualities that you want to see in your friend. Okay. The qualities are kind, studious, obedient, helpful, playful, honest. These are the qualities. Kind, you know what is kind? That is a quality. Kind that you call in Hindi Daya. Okay, kind. Then studious. Studious means good in studies. Every time study, read something. Okay, studious. That is also a good quality. So you have to tick that. Then obedient. Obey all, everything. Obey all. Okay, obey to all. That is also a good quality. Obedient. Then helpful. That is a good quality. Then playful. That means always helpful and always playful means always play. playful, or not playful, not always play, but the mentality of playing mentality. Okay, that's also a quality, good quality, playful. Then next is honest. Honest is a good quality, HONEST, honest. Then careless, that is not a good quality. Untidy is not a good quality. Untidy means unclean. Careless means opposite of careful. That means no care. Okay, so these are the 2 disqualities, so that you have to cut. Then the remaining are the qualities that you have to tick. Okay, so these things you don't do in copy, only do in book. Next, the same page, E part, problem solving activity. Tick the word that has a similar meaning to the highlighted word. Every sentence a highlighted word is there. You have to find out the similar meaning to that word and tick that. Okay. For example, the first sentence, Rohan always keep his room neat, is given there. Neat means neat is highlighted there. What is the meaning of neat? Clean. Okay. So clean is here, there. Tidy, ventilated. Tidy is also correct, but the more correct word is clean. Neat means clean. Rohan always keeps his room neat, clean. Clean is the correct answer. Then, my father went out to fetch some food. Fetch is the highlighted word here. My father went out to fetch some food. So pack is given there, carry is given there, bring is given there. The correct meaning of fetch is bring. My father went out to fetch some food. The correct meaning of fetch is bring. Okay. So you have to tick the bring. Clear? Second one. Then third one, we listened to a boring tale. Here tale, T-A-L-E, tale is highlighted. What is the meaning of tale? Non-detail, detail. Okay, tale means story. 2 tales are there. T-A-L-E tale and T-A-I-L tale. So here T-A-L-E tale. What is the meaning of this T-A-L-E tale? Story. Okay. So story is the correct answer. Okay. Then next, number 4. Everyone exclaimed in worry and fear. Everyone exclaimed in worry and fear. What is the meaning of exclaimed? Called out. Called out we say. LD is also similar meaning, but more correct word is called out. That means exclaiming, shouting, or being wonderful, being wonder when we hear something. Okay, that is exclaimed. Everyone exclaimed in worry and fear. Called out. The correct word is called out. Then the rooms in the cottage were nice and cozy. So cozy is the highlighted word there. What is the meaning of cozy? Cozy, that you call in Hindi suvidha. Okay. So cozy's similar meaning is comfortable here. Big, comfortable, safe is given there, but the correct meaning is comfortable. Safe also we can say, but the correct meaning is comfortable. Cozy, comfortable. Okay. So once again I will read all this. Neat, clean, fetch, bring, tale, story, exclaimed, called out, cozy, comfortable. This you have to write in copy. Okay. All the options you have to write and tick the correct option. Clear? So which are your homework? Page number 41 A part and page number 42 E part. Okay, these are your homework. These 2 things you have to do in copy. Clear all of you? Okay. Yes, then next class I will take the next lesson. Okay. So these 2 things you have to do in copy. All of you have to do the homework. Clear all of you? Bye.